With a unique dual-sided design, you can shave or trim any length of hair in all body zones, including the most sensitive ones. This Bodygroomer has 5 adjustable lengths and an ergonomic grip to give you full choices on your style and comfort. This dual-side Bodygroomer can be used wet or dry, giving you the freedom and comfort to choose what best suits your styling needs. With the ergonomic grip, you can trim or shave in any direction, wet or dry, always with the maximum control and precision. Powerful lithium battery delivering 80 minutes cordless use after 1 hour full charge. Because it is showerproof, cannot be used while charging. International voltage, 110 to 220 volts. The Bodygroom Series 7000 has a unique dual-sided design that allows you to effortlessly switch between shaving and trimming. The 4-directional pivoting shaver adapts to the contours of your body for a smooth shave. The integrated trimmer offers 5 length settings, without changing attachments. This Bodygroom is showerproof and has 80 minutes of runtime powered by a lithium-ion battery. Top reviews from the United States. Quick and easy to use. Since COVID began, I go out so rarely that I don't bother shaving and I get pretty scruffy. This trimmer makes it quick and easy to get rid of the unwanted growth in just minutes. It's so much easier than trying to shave all that hair with a razor. The trimmer doesn't cut as close as a blade, but it's close enough. If I really need to get smooth, following up with a quick razor shave is a breeze.